Yeah. Hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name should remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome all my subscribers to your fresh and new episode on my noble platform. Here we also talk about how to make money through arbitrage, how to make online money, and a lot. Yeah, a lot. When it comes to money making online, yo, this is the right channel for you. Yeah, so this video is basically made for my Nigerian people. They've been like, yo bro, so when are you teaching us about arbitrage and blah? I say, okay, I will do video for it. So right now in Nigeria, when you want to buy USDT, it's very high, but I have found a website that you can buy USDT for a lower rate, and you will sell it at a higher rate, and you get interest from it. It may sound like it's not real, but it's real. So first of all, I will leave that account link or that app link in my description. If you download it, your first deposit is free, your first withdrawal is free. Yeah. So let's go and let me show you the app. The app is called Remitano. Remitano. That's the app's name. So let me open it. First of all, you can't access the accounts without you switching on your data. Yeah. So let's on the data before we do it. Yeah, let's on the data. So let's go to the app. And this is the highest version, so it's really delays more, yeah. But you can download the lower version, but the higher version has a lot of features that will help you as a trader. Yeah. So let's wait. It's opening very soon. Maybe okay, it's loading. Yeah. Yeah, so it's opening. So this how the thing looks like. Yeah, this how the thing looks like. I've seen it. Yeah, that's how it looks like. You see. So when you are registering on this app, they will need your ID card, your legal name, and I think that's all. Yeah. And one thing about this, like they will verify you within 10 minutes. Then they will verify you. Yeah. So this is your wallet. So the wallet, you can add enough coins in it, but the coins I have so far, you see, there are enough coins over there. Yeah. So and this is the home. This is the home and things. So I will see it right now. So right now, the USDT, if you're buying USDT, is 1,121.04 naira for buying USDT. So if you compare this rate to Binance, to Eversend, to Yellow Card, to Trust Wallet, to Femex, a lot, like you see that this the most cheapest rate for you to buy USDT. And this one of the best app for you to buy the USDT from. So you can buy the USDT from the market, or you can do it P2P. So P2P, when I click on the P2P, so this is how the P2P is. So this is how it is. So have you seen the selling price for? So the selling price means that that's how they are selling it over there. So you buy from there, and the buying price is like they want to buy it from you. So if you have USDT and you want to sell it, you sell it like this. So this is how you do it and get your profit. Have you seen that? When you're buying it, when you're buying it on the platform, it is 1,129, and when you're selling it on the platform, it's 1,135. So even if you don't want to do what I'm saying, you can even make money from here. You can buy and sell it over here, because like the buying is low and the buy now, and you see. So I said I want to invest 100,000. So it calculates over here. It's coming. So 100,000. If I want to invest 100,000, the 100,000, I'll get 88.48. So let's do the calculation and see if we can make profits over here. And after that, I will show you another app that you sell your USDT over there and get profits. So you just relax and follow my tutorial, and you understand what I'm trying to teach you. So you get 88.48. Spend another time on it. So let me go back and show you something over here. Have you seen that right now the rate has shoot to the top? Yeah. So you can, so the rate is goes and come. You see, so you can even buy it from here. You can even buy. So you can even buy it from here, and go to Paxful. And remember, we like the USDT, we bought it at the rate of 1,121 naira. So when I go to Paxful, so right now it means that I have USDT. So I'm here to what? To sell to people. So I'll go to the market. I'll click on what I want to sell, USDT. Then I'll click on this thing. This is the filter. Then I'll choose Naira. I'll choose Nigeria Naira. Then I'll choose Nigeria. Because you can choose country you want to do the trade with them. So that thing. Yeah, you can choose Nigeria, you can choose Ghana, you can choose, but let me choose Nigeria so that we all get a little understanding about what I'm trying to teach you. Oh, nah, Nigeria, yeah, yeah. So I'll click on this thing for it. Yeah. So since I spent like I bought one USDT for 1,121, right? So I have to sell it to someone who will buy it more than 1,121. So I can search for customers over here. This person is selling, want to buy it 1,810. So imagine I bought the 10,121 and I'm selling it at 1,810. How many profits am I making? So let's say thousand what let me see the rate over here. 1,125. So 1,125 minus 1,810. 1,810 minus 1,125. Hey, what am I doing? 1,810 minus 1,125. I'm making 685 naira from only one trade, and this is interest. This when I sell only one USDT. If I'm selling only one USDT, I'm making 685 from it. So imagine I'm selling, let's say, 100 USDT, 100 USDT times 100 times 100. That means I'm making a profit of what? One a 110,690 naira. I hope you understand. Maybe what I'm doing is making confused. So 685. So 685. So 685 times 100. Okay, 685 times 100. So this is how it is. So I'm making 68,500 from 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 selling 100 USDT. So if I sell 100 USDT, I'll get 68,500 naira from selling 100 USDT. So if I'm selling 200 USDT, that means I'm making 137,000 naira from selling 200 USDT. So 200 USDT is there. Then the 137,000 is the profit I'm making. Is the profit, the interest and what I'm making. So if I'm investing 10,000, if I'm investing 1,000 USDT, that means I'm making 685,000 as interest, not the money I used to buy the USDT. That one is there. This 685,000 is your interest. It's your interest. So if you don't understand, let me show you here. That's one I'm calculating is your interest. So this is what I'm saying. I spent 125 in Remitano, and I bought one USDT. You see that thing, one USDT, and this person is also ready to what, buy one USDT from me at the rate of what, 1,810.35. So you come here. 1,810. So what is with 1,810.35 minus 125 minus 1,125. So the 1,125 is the amount I bought one USDT. I bought one USDT for 1,125 naira. And when I come to Pax 4, I'll be selling one USDT for 1,810.35. So when I deduct my investment from the money the money I'm earning, I will get interest or profit of 685.35. 685.35. So 685.35. This is the amount I'm making from just one USDT. Just one USDT. You see that thing? So imagine I'm selling 100 USDT. Then you will times it by 100 USDT. 100 USDT. That means you are making profit. You're making 68,535 as profit, not the investment, as profit, as the money you have made from your investment. So when I sell 1,000 USDT, I'm making 685,000 350 naira as the profit. So this is the money I'm taking home. That's not the money I spent. This is the money I'm taking home. You see, this is my profit. I know, like, if your math is not well, you will not understand what I'm saying. You not understand what I'm saying. But that's how it is. So I think this app is very good for my Nigerian people. And it's not only Nigerian people, Ghana people too. I will do video and show you how you can do it. So if you're finding difficult to understand this mathematical thing, you can chat me. And like if you have arbitrary background, you will know what I'm saying. You will know that, like, you know what I'm saying. But if you are upcoming, this is your first time, you want to start doing arbitrage, you can chat me. I'll guide you. You can join my mentorship. I'll charge you small and I'll guide you. I'm out.